Hey there, it's Bootzone here. I'm with this Electrolux washer dryer integrated EWX14450W. I'm trying to check the drying cycle. I had it on a 13-minute cycle before and it didn't get warm, so I put it up to a 20-minute and we'll see. It's got the wavy smell lines, so I presume that's got to do with heat. The fan's just come on, so it's done 3 minutes. It's set to 23 initially. After a few minutes the fan starts up and I'm expecting this bit here to get warm. Of course those elements will have electricity going through them, or they should. So, is that getting hot? It's hard to know. You see, it'll have air blowing through it, so it shouldn't be getting red hot. It's gotten steamy in there. And I feel heat. It doesn't feel cold anymore. It was cold before. I'll stick the multimeter on the back there and have a look. That is getting hot now, that's better. Okay. I've got this set. Can you see that there? Not quite. Maybe it's a little bit better. There's 230 across one element, 230 across the other, so that's a success. So it looks like the dryer is working. I've got a couple of rags. It's the same stuff that was in the last test. What would it be? Pillowcase, a shirt, a couple of rags. It's done 5 minutes now. It does feel like it's getting hot. You should never touch anything inside here, but in reality metal parts should all be earthed. It's the tips of cables. Like if you were to touch where I was touching those wires off for the multimeter, you'd just be zapped with 240 volts of AC electricity coming in with up to 13 amps, which could give a man a heart attack, or could turn the heart off very quickly. We're protected with RCDs and MCBs in this facility, but you don't want to go touching it. So if you don't know what you're doing, don't stick your fingers in there. I'll let this run. There won't be much to see. And I'll come back when it's finished and we'll just see if the stuff is dry. It's only on for 20 minutes, but there isn't much in it. I have never had great success with washer dryers because you're kind of compromising on something, and typically the compromise is on the drying. It seems to be running away quite happily, and that is hot now. That's hot to the touch. So that's excellent. So shouts out to King Smasher, the YouTuber. He suggested that 13 minutes and down is probably the cool down time, and that by putting it up a little bit higher, so like going to 23 minutes as I did at the start of this video, that will let the element kick in. So the element might turn off now. It might only have 10 minutes of drying and then 10 minutes or 13 minutes of cool down time where the air is just circulated around and around hot to condense out any moisture. Yeah, shouts out to King Smasher. So it's gone down to 0, it's beeped, and it's doing a kind of an agitate because I think it just keeps the clothes in it fresh. So let's get in there and see what it's like. Let's turn it off first. Oh, the door lock's still locked. This is still hot up here to the touch. You can't see me. Up here on top where I was touching earlier on, it's still hot to the touch. I don't really like the way it beeps to tell you it's finished and then isn't finished. The door's still locked. I think that's a bit weird. Any of the other ones I've had, they'll get to 2 minutes and then stop and then wait and then beep when they're at 0 when the door has unlocked, which to me makes infinitely more sense. But I guess it allows me to just talk nonsense about my preferences to you at the moment, because there's nothing else to do. I wonder how dry those things are in there. Okay, fast forward. If I turn it back on, the locked light isn't on, so no, so it's unlocked. Okay, I don't know, I missed that there. I missed that. The laundry is still damp, but it's dry. Smells a bit like laundry. It's still a bit damp, so really 23 minutes wasn't enough for it. But as far as I'm concerned, it's drier than it was, so it's a success. 23 minutes wouldn't be much for these things. So that's excellent. Yep. Shouts out to the fans and subscribers who keep putting useful suggestions in. King Smasher, you're a gentleman. We've got a working washer dryer integrated unit here. Excellent. Can't smash this one then. That's the Electrolux EWX14450W. If you'd like to see me do any specific washes in this machine, now's the time to tell me about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you later.